Hello, and welcome to no tutorial. Today we're going to learn about how to upload your FXB file, as in the object file, to High Fidelity. And also, in the future, I'll teach you guys how to build and also maybe model. But for now, let's go ahead and get started on the modeling. Um, as first of all, you would want to import your model through Blender, because Blender is a good tool to make your avatar. So I use Fuse for my avatars. As you can see, my body is all made in Fuse. um, I talked about that last video, but this is our second tutorial for learning a new trick, as in importing. If you do 3D content or anything, you can basically use formats to convert it to FBX files. But also, anyways, so format, I guess is the name or word you could say for it. But anyways, I'm James Bong, by the way. You can actually see my name. It's actually backwards because this video probably needs to be edited. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started on FBX. So first of all, let's go ahead and open Blender. So 1 second. And Blender. I like my background. Alright, go ahead and hit delete. Click and then delete the cube. And then you hit File, Import. We're going to go ahead and hit FBX. That's what we want. Make sure it's FBX or OBJ. OBJ has issues though. I don't recommend it. I recommend FBX. Let's go ahead and look at Sculptris part projects. Here we go. For instance, I'm going to upload my skull. I'm going to upload my low poly skull. It's only 4.82 megs, which is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and import that. Take a little second. There we go. Look at that beautiful skull. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's say this is your model now, and let me go ahead and teach you how to do it. We don't have to worry about texturing and all that. I'll teach you guys that later. But for now, let's go ahead and import this. Export. Export right here, FBX. So you choose your file and all that, and of course where you want it. And let's go ahead and cancel because I already have the skull, so I can go ahead and put that in. So let's go ahead and do that. It's kind of strange looking at my face talking all the time. So I just go ahead and move around. There's some projects I was working on. Not quite done. The textures are not so great on this one, but their one's not too bad. Anyways, we'll talk about that later. Anyways, let's go ahead and import the FBX file. So what you want to do is we're going to have to go to first, I'll talk about also hosting. Right now I'm hosting on my Amazon S3. So I'm going to go ahead and import my model, my 3D model. So I'm going to go to my buckets. I think urban, it might be under this one. Yep, here it is. Low skull poly. What you do is go ahead and properties, right click the URL, copy link, minimize, and then I'll teach you guys more about Amazon later. It's actually pretty easy to use. I recommend it for importing models. Anyways, or exporting, yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead and do this now. Since I got my skull, what you do is you hit the little edit tab up here, hit edit, and this will pop up. Don't worry about that yet. Then hit model on the right, and then you go ahead and Control V for paste. Hit add. It'll take a little second. Since it's a low poly, it shouldn't take long at all. Should be popped up right away in a little bit. Oh, there it goes. It's a little big. Yeah, believe it or not, this is an actual skull that I made. It's all low poly right now, as you can tell, but it's really good for role play, fantasy sim, or whatever you want to use it for, and it's a pretty cool skull. I might sell it one day. But for now, let's focus on what we're doing. Okay, so there you go. There's our project, and imported just right. And yeah, that should be about it for this video. For so I'll see you guys later then on the next tutorial. Bye.